Hello everyone. I'm doing this short video because it's an experiment. YouTube let me do the horizontal video and the rail at the same time. So I'm going to talk a little bit about finding the truth. In these times that we are living, it's crucial to separate from con artists from con artists to real people, the truth from the lie, the real information from misinformation. And this is the use of the intuition, the gut instincts that tell us, yes, I feel good with this information. No, I don't feel good with this information. And the way I do it as an electronic engineer and healer is using a pendulum. Once in a while I do a scanning while doing a video, and I'm going to show it here. Let me see if and I ask questions. For example, this is to find energy blockages. But there are other things. I can find, for example, what is the percentage of truth on this information? Especially nowadays that we have so much drama, so much evil, so much corruption in the world. Like today, a friend told me something that happened worldwide, and I'm going to ask. She told me that the US is trying to do something on another country, like mobilizing troops to invade a country, and I'm going to ask, is that true, what this friend told me? And this is going to be a yes or no. Yes goes to the front and to the back, and no side to side. I'm going to ask. That graph is not involved. Is it true what my friend told me? Yes, it's true. Now, I'm going to ask. Is it for the highest good of humankind, that decision of the government of the US? What is the percentage of, and give me a no, look, it goes side to side. What is the percentage of benefits for humankind? I am asking for the whole humankind, the percentage of benefits. And I get something like a 5%. So there are people involved on that they want to do that. But this is just one little example. And I don't want to forget, in 2022, I have a client coming. But I'm going to tell you, when you want to know the truth about a person, just pray to the Spirit. My God, I want to know the truth about Johnny. I don't want to be deceived. My God, I want to know the truth about Mary. I don't want to be deceived. I was doing that in 2022, and in a week I knew more about that person than in 10 years. So the pendulum is one way, it's the connection of our intuition with the divinity, the information of the divinity, and that prayer, somehow we are going to receive the answers from the Spirit. I had to go. I have a client right at the door.